Lemons may be small, but they deliver a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Bright, tangy, and refreshing. This citrus fruit has been used for centuries not only in cooking, but also as a natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. Adding lemons to your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall wellness. One of the most well-known benefits of lemons is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for strengthening the immune system, helping your body fight off colds, flu, and other infections. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can give your immune system a natural boost and help your body stay resilient throughout the day. Lemons are also rich in antioxidants, which play a key role in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This cellular protection may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Over time, regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods like lemons can contribute to healthier skin and improved overall vitality. Speaking of skin, lemons can be a great addition to your beauty routine from the inside out. The vitamin C in lemons supports collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Hydration from lemon water can also help flush out toxins, potentially leading to clearer and more radiant skin. Another major benefit of lemons is their ability to support digestion. Lemon juice can stimulate the production of digestive juices and bile, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Drinking lemon water before meals may help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and support a healthier gut. Lemons may also aid in weight management. While they're not a magic solution, lemons are low in calories and can enhance flavor without adding sugar or fat. Drinking lemon water can help you stay hydrated and may reduce cravings for sugary drinks, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. Heart health is another area where lemons shine. The combination of vitamin C, fiber, and plant compounds found in lemons may help support healthy blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating lemons into a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can contribute to better cardiovascular health over time. Lemons can also support kidney health. The citric acid found in lemons may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for stone formation. Regularly drinking lemon water is often recommended as a simple preventive measure. In addition, lemons have natural antibacterial properties. They can help fight harmful bacteria in the body and may even support oral health by reducing bad breath. However, because lemon juice is acidic, it's best to rinse your mouth with water afterward to protect your tooth enamel. Lemons may even help improve energy levels and mood. The refreshing scent alone has been linked to reduced stress and improved mental clarity. Combined with proper hydration, lemon water can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Now for a bonus tip to maximize lemon benefits. Try starting your morning with warm lemon water. Simply squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple habit can help kickstart your digestion, hydrate your body after sleep, and set a healthy tone for the rest of your day. You can also get creative by adding lemon to salads, teas, smoothies, or even using it as a natural flavor enhancer for your meals. Fresh is always best, as it preserves the maximum amount of nutrients and flavor. Incorporating lemons into your daily routine doesn't require a major lifestyle change, but the impact can be significant. From boosting your immune system and improving digestion to enhancing your skin and supporting heart health, lemons are a small fruit with big benefits. So next time you see a lemon, remember, it's more than just a garnish. It's a natural, affordable, and powerful addition to a healthier lifestyle.